Hi, in this video I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to the Binance. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Binance mobile application and go to the wallet from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the overview and click on the deposit. And once you will click on the deposit, you have to select the crypto from here and select Bitcoin from here. And once you will select Bitcoin, it will generate a Bitcoin wallet address. Simply copy this address. Don't write this address by yourself. Always copy this address. If one alphabet will be wrong, your payment will be lost. So simply copy it from here. Now go back and you have to open your Coinbase. Now your Coinbase is open. Simply you have to click on this two arrows and here you will see send option. Once you will click on the send option, you will see the page on which you have to enter the wallet address you have copied from the Binance and then enter the amount, and after that click on the send amount. Right now my wallet is empty, so it's not showing me anything here, but you can follow the same procedure. All you need is a Binance address you have copied from the Binance application, like I recommend you, or the way I show you. Simply copy it and send. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.